let's ride the two OTIS hydraulic lifts at the Captital Gateway Shopping Centre. Since there's only two lifts, I can't really make this a lift tour, so let's just ride them. So first, let's go to the lift in Freedom Furniture. Ooh, look at that. Red call button. Buttons always been lost. This is the OTIS hydraulic lift at Freedom Furniture in the Captital Gateway Shopping Centre in Wellington CBD. We are at one. Before we go, we're going to cab view. Boring basic silver OTIS cab. There it goes. And let's just go and another look at this. Because that call button is red. Beautiful chime. There it goes. And now let's go to the lift at the other end of the shopping centre. Okay, this is the lift at the other end of the Captital Gateway Mall. It's another OTIS. Or as what viewers in the US may call, what, Series 1 is this in America? I'm not sure. Don't ask me. To me it's just OTIS. No indicator on level 1 like the other one. Oh, button went out. Must be here. Oh blimey, look at those doors. This one's hydraulic too. Here we are. Now we'll get it to chime. Oh, don't close on me. Bloody temperamental, these lifts. Here we go. Again, it's got a basic silver wall interior, just like the last one. Slightly different doors though. Basically, just the same basic interior that OTIS use and all their OTIS. It is quite dark in here though, they need to replace the lights. And here we are at one. There it goes.